Hey, everyone! Today I am going to show you 5 essential tips on Adobe XD. So let's get started. To ungroup 2 or more objects, you could either right-click on the objects and click on Ungroup. Or you can double-click on the shape to select it and then you can move it, resize it, or whatever you prefer. To duplicate objects, you could select the shape and then press Ctrl D. Or, you could use the Alt key and drag the shape to another side. The Pathfinder tool can be used to do many things that make it easy for you. For example, the intersect tool or the minus friend option. If you want to come back to the original shape, you can just click on the same option again. Adding shadows in and outside the shapes is pretty much easy. You will find the shadow option just beneath the fill and border. There are 2 options, which are inner shadow and drop shadow. And this is the result of the shadow effect. To make a clipping mask in a shape, just drag an image from your File Explorer and drop it into the shape. And that is it for today.